Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how we can use aggregate function in Excel. It allows you to summarize values and it gives you ability to ignore error values as well as hidden cells. So for example, here we have date, transactions, account and amount. What happens if I apply some function to the amount column? It gives an error. Why? Because I have error in the data. If I use the aggregate function, it ignores error. So just start off with aggregate function. You will get a lot of choices for the type of aggregation you want to do. In this case, I want to do the sum, so I will choose 9. Next, I get ignore option. Here we can ignore values, ignore hidden rows, ignore nested subtotals and aggregate functions. Subtotal function is an older version of aggregate function, but with the subtotal function you can't ignore the error values. Now we will choose option 6. Then for the array we will choose our range. The last option doesn't apply to us. It's something you need if you use small and large function. Now we just gonna close the bracket and press enter and we get our number. Now at this point I'm only ignoring the error values. I'm not ignoring the hidden cells. So if I restrict this to employees expenses only, you can see I still get the sum of entire column here. To ignore hidden cells, I can change option from here. I go to this and I will choose the most closest option that says ignore hidden rows. We'll go with 3 and enter. I get the sum of visible rows only. So now if I change my option from here, I get the sum of these numbers. Now quickly take a look at another example. Here we have total revenue and total cost. To do the sum, we have used aggregate function. If I want to calculate my PBT here, I can just use the aggregate function. So we'll start with aggregate. Then from here we will choose 9 as we are doing sum. And now we will choose 0 as we want to ignore the nested subtotals. We will choose our range for array, bracket close and enter. It only adds up these values and ignores subtotal and aggregate values in it. If you also want to ignore value error, then from here you just need to change this option to 3 and you can also ignore the errors in the value. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.